Hey guys, it's Annie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be trying out the MOITIE Cosmetics 10-Day Lashes. So this is an at-home lash extension kit. So I haven't even opened it yet, so I'm going to be opening it with you guys. This packaging reminds me a lot of Victoria's Secret, doesn't it? Okay, so in this little drawstring bag here, we have two different eyeliners. So it looks like I have a clear one and a black one here. And this is their glue. I love that it's black. You guys know I love black eyelash glue. And of course they included some tweezers in here. I love the gold touch. They also included two LED hand mirrors. So I don't know if you guys can see that on camera, but these are all lit up here. And last but not least are the lashes. This is the fun part. So they included 3 different types here, so I can show you guys. So they have a really natural pair, a dramatic pair, and then one in between. Okay, so obviously I'm gravitating more towards the dramatic lash. These are just definitely my style. The thing that I'm already loving about these lashes is that they're super customizable. So they come in little sections here. Okay, so this is really cool, guys. I just tried this and I was like, what? I didn't expect it to come off this easily. But I grabbed my little tweezers here, and then you just grab the section of lashes that you want to try, and it comes off so easily off of this container. If you guys are a false eyelash wearer, you know that trying to get eyelashes off of these little cartons are probably the most difficult part about fake eyelashes, and it always like deforms them. So the fact that this came off really easily, that's a win for me. The band on these is super thin as well, which I'm already really loving. Look at how thin this band is. It's crazy. When it comes to fake eyelashes, the ones with the thick bands always weigh my eyes down, and I don't know about you guys, but it makes my eyes like look all wonky, and then you get really like sleepy eyes all day. It's annoying. This also comes with an instruction manual, so it makes it super easy. I'm not gonna lie, guys, I was a little overwhelmed thinking of all the steps that I have to take in order to apply these, but it's actually not that hard, and I like how they really broke it down on here. And they have pictures, which always makes it easier. So let's check out these eyeliners. So this is what they look like. So like I said, there's a clear and a black. Oh, okay. Yeah, so they just look like felt tip eyeliners. Right. I really like the precision of the lines. Let's see what this clear one looks like, 'cause I'm really curious. Okay, so it still has the same felt tip. That's really interesting. I think I'm gonna go in with that one. Oh, and it also says that these are smudge free. So let's see. I literally can't believe that that's not even budging. All right, let's get started. Okay, so before getting started, they say that you should curl your eyelashes. So I'm just going in with this eyelash curler. They also do sell one on their website in case you guys don't have one. Okay, next up is the lash glue. So I'm just gonna shake this guy and put like 3 dollops on the corner of here, just so that I can dip the eyelashes in there. All right, guys, so I'm grabbing my eyelash, dipping it into the glue. And they say to wait about 5 seconds for the glue to get tacky. Now they say you want to look straight ahead, so I'm going to be looking straight ahead in my mirror here. And then you just want to pinch this to your natural eyelashes. Holy crap, guys, look at that. Maybe I'll just do 3 on the outer corner. Like I said, guys, these are super customizable. So if I just do 3 on the outer corner, I'll give you like that little like fox eye look. Holy crap, I can't even believe it. Wow, guys, so that's 2 of them applied. I can't wait to do the 3rd. This is so cool. I'm gonna follow up with you guys after I finish them, just so that it's kind of the same step over and over and over again, but I'll be back. All right, guys, so these are the lashes applied. I'm honestly shocked. Look how good these look. And I love the fox eye look. It just looks super natural, but also just really elegant and glam. I've just been looking at myself in the mirror over here. I'm shocked. All right, guys, I'll follow up with you in about 10 hours. I'll do the 10-hour wear test just to check in with you guys. And these lashes are also waterproof and windproof, so I'll be demonstrating that when I get back. But yeah, I'll follow up with you guys in 10 hours. Alright guys, this is actually the next morning. I slept with my makeup on, which I'm not proud of. I never do that. But look at these lashes. I can't even believe it, guys. They really stayed put all day long, all night. I mean, I like slept on my side and everything. They didn't get all kinky or creased. I'm just shocked by that. I'm extremely impressed by these guys. It doesn't even feel like I'm wearing eyelashes anymore. When you put them on initially, obviously there's a little bit of an adjustment period, like you can feel that you're wearing eyelashes, but I'm looking at these and I'm like, what the hell? It just really feels like an extension of my own eyelashes. It's just so weird. Oh, lash extensions, duh. Even though these are the most dramatic eyelashes of the three, I feel like they still look really natural. Is it just me? I'm really happy with these. I'm gonna be going away on like a long weekend to the beach. So I'll try these out again, and this way I'll wear them for 3 days straight, and then I'll keep you guys updated. I'll probably keep you updated in stories. I probably won't make another full video on it. But yeah, if you guys wanna follow that process, go to my stories. But these are also windproof and waterproof. Yesterday was actually really windy. I didn't catch anything on film, so you guys are just gonna have to take my word for it. But they really held up. I was a little nervous, I'm not gonna lie. I haven't tested the waterproof part yet, but I do have a shot glass full of water here, so we're gonna test that out. So let's just see how I'm gonna do this. Okay, so it just coated my entire eye. Okay, so I'm just blotting off underneath my eye. What? I can't even believe that. These are really staying put, guys. And when they get wet, they look even more natural. So these are waterproof approved. So I just dried my eyelashes just to give you a proper outro. So I'm not like, I loved how easy these were to apply. They don't weigh my eyelashes down. The glue wasn't really heavy, and obviously these don't have any magnets on them. And it's a really thin eyelash band. So everything just fits seamlessly together. It just was such an easy process. I'll definitely be using these again. If you guys wanted to purchase a pair for yourself, you can use my code Cliche for a discount. So it's only $29 for one of these kits here. And obviously you can choose whether you want them to be super dramatic, more natural, in between. And then it obviously comes with the lash glue and the tweezers and all of that. I think $29 is extremely affordable, especially these are gonna last you a while. Plus their shipping's really fast and they have free exchanges. And I believe that you can reuse these. So I think it's worth it. Just in case you guys are curious about the lash removal process, they do have a lash removal gel. It's sold separately. You literally just put it on your eyelashes and it dissolves it and they just come right off. I was watching a ton of videos on it. But if you guys did want to purchase these lashes, I'll include a link in the description down below. And yeah, let me know if you guys decide to buy them. Tag me on Instagram and I'll repost you guys. I'm so excited to see what you think of them. And I just can't wait to do the 3-day test for the beach. But yeah. I love you guys so much. Thank you again for watching. If you liked the video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos from me. Oh, I just hit my water bottle. Thank you guys. I love you.